tremendous waste in our government.
U.S. taxpayers have been funding animal experiments at the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
So there was ridiculous, hideous experiments on bats going on in the lab in Wuhan, China. And it turns out the U.S. government and us taxpayers are funding that.
What in the hell was the National Institutes of Health thinking?
Heard anything more perverse than that today? Probably not.
Yeah, I'm against funding Chinese research in our country, but I'm sure against funding it in China.
We will end that grant very quickly.
You exposed that. White Coat Waste, an incredible organization. And now Victory, that funding is being cut.